Hello, early this morning I travelled to St Ives in Cornwall, where I'm doing a 3-day course at the St Ives School of Painting. It's called Illuminating Landscapes with the artist Alex Yarlett. I parked up near Porthminster Beach and had a little wander. Because I got here quite early, I had a fair bit of time to kill before the course started, so I went back to my car and did a quick sketch. I'd bought a few art materials with me, just in case I wanted them on the course. This is the view I had from the car over Porthminster Beach. I decided to do a Splodge and Scribble type painting, and this is my paint layer. I chose to use coloured pencils instead of ink for the scribble part, and I had a really enjoyable time putting in these details. I then went and got some breakfast and carried on my walk to school. I still got there really early, so I went round to Porthmeor Beach and lay on the beach for a bit listening to music. The St Ives School of Painting buildings overlooks Porthmeor Beach. For part of the morning, our little class did sketches out and about around St Ives. We were told to do very quick sketches and take notes on colour and things like that. I mainly used a black Sharpie pen, and it was very liberating doing such fast sketches and doing them purely as notes about composition and colours, etc. Lots of these took only a minute. Later we went back to the school and had a go at getting some of these basic shapes down on board, using a mixture of oil and acrylic paints. We were given this limited palette of colours. These are my 3 paintings, though they aren't finished yet. It was really interesting being encouraged to use a different palette and style than normal. And this is my desk space for the course. I had a lovely dinner with one of the other women from the course who I just met, and then had a little walk up near where I'm staying in St Ives. It looked beautiful in the evening sunshine. I'm sure I'll have more paintings to show you as the week goes on. Thanks for watching, bye!